Check it out, guys. We have our twin I-beam 2-wheel drive lift kits. They're now available. Check this thing out, man. We got this thing lifted up on some 32s. This is a stage 1 kit running a coil spring. Still finalizing the steering, but you can kind of get a gist of it. We've been working on this for a while, so we're pretty excited about it. Just want to show you fabricated I-beams, nice adjustable heims. Picks the truck up, gives it a whole new attitude. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us. Super dope. I'm pumped. We're gonna have a couple different options available. We're gonna have some coilover options. This is gonna just be a standard steering. We're gonna probably do some crossover steering, swing set steering, things like that. So check it out, stay tuned.